My name is Danessa Cordero. I am in the apprenticeship program with CMU Tech for Family Health West. With this apprenticeship, it didn't really take me that long to start catching on just because it was really consistent. I feel like I'm very lucky to use my skills while I'm learning them. I thought it was going to be super stressful trying to go through a bunch of interviews, a bunch of paperwork. It was actually super easy on both ends, CMU and also through the hospital. It was super easy, it was super efficient. One of the few people that stood out to me was Dr. Klein. He's the CEO. He taught us that even though we are professionals, we are still family and that we can talk to whoever we need to just to help us out outside of work. Without this apprenticeship program, I feel like it would have been a little bit harder, but it does make it easier just to be able to work a couple more hours in an industry that I'm also trying to graduate from. Both of my majors are two different areas. My second major is fire science associate, but in the fire department there are some IT positions that I hope that I can do both.